One code we have here using the for each loop, and there is a lots of if else block statements, and one code is having only a link queue statement and a couple of lines of code here. If you can see a left side code, this one, it is doing the same operation as compared to that right one. But as compared to the link queue statements, whatever you have used, this will more efficient and as well as faster as compared to this code. If suppose there is a multiple items will become in a future like a thousands of rows and list items, in that case this will for each loops and if statements will take time to render this data, but in a link queue statement it will not happen this case. Afterwards this will be a faster as compared to this approach. So always try to make that link queue in our list operations or any operations. Try to avoid the for each loops and for loops, because in our applications if you not use a more for loops and everything, then that your application will be going smooth as compared to that older approach. So try to use the new features whatever coming in the C# and make your app more effective.